Hey guys, Rhett here, Section 8 guy. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to every single one. It's finally here. I'm about to tell you guys the secret to real estate investing. And you might be sitting there saying, well, why do you post all these other videos? This could have been just a channel with one video. Yeah, it probably could have. But I've been thinking about doing this video for a while now. And I wanted to make sure I did it at the right time. And I think that this is the right time because daily I'm getting such good questions from you guys. You guys are such critical thinkers. You all want to get into this. I have so many smart viewers and subscribers, and I'm so thankful for you guys because you guys keep my mind spinning all the time too. You guys keep me thinking, and I know you're thinking. So I want to thank you for that. The secret to real estate investing, guys, and I wish that more people would do this, and I understand that it's not that easy to do. Trust me, I have conversations daily with people who are struggling with this. And the secret to real estate investing is you have to just do it. You have to do it, guys. You have to just take the leap. If you want to, be a real estate mogul, a tycoon, right? You want to have a rental portfolio. You want to flip houses. You have to just do it. At one point in your life, you're going to keep just analyzing deals and analyzing deals and analyzing deals and analyzing deals and, oh, this wasn't the right one. This wasn't the right one. This wasn't the right one. And you're going to blink and it's going to be 10 years later and you're still not going to have a property. And it's one of those things, guys, that if you keep just, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, but I'll do it next time. I'm not ready yet. I'm going to do it. I'm going to keep putting it off, You guys, you're going to blink and you're going to be 20 years older and you're still not going to have a property. And I'm not saying that to be degrading at all. I'm trying to tell you, do it. You got to do it, right? My other videos, we talk about setting yourself up for success, right? You still need to analyze deals, and it's okay to turn deals down. But at the end of the day, you have to take the risk. If you want to own real estate, you have to risk it, guys. You have to have the risk tolerance to be able to say, you know what? I'm taking this money in order to be successful. I'm taking this money and I'm putting it on this, and I'm going for it. You have to do that, okay? Now, when you're ready to do that, find somebody that knows what they're doing to help you do it. But I'm telling you, it's up to you. You are the ones that are actually doing it. It's your money, it's your capital, it's your life. If this is what you want to do, stop letting your fears cripple you, okay? The coaching and mentorship program that I offer, guys, shoot me an email about it. My email's below. If you're constantly struggling with just not being able to jump and just do it, shoot me an email. We'll do it together. I can't tell you the amount of clients who come to me and say, listen, I want to get into this so bad, but I just have so many questions. I don't know where to start. I'm afraid of getting taken advantage of. And those are all legitimate fears. But at some point, if you want to do it, you got to do it, okay? I know it's scary. I know it's tough. I know that, you have an answer for every question, right? A lot of times with fear, you'll rationalize that fear, right? You'll say, I want to jump into real estate so bad, but, the market's just crazy, right? Which it is, it's crazy. So you say, you know what, the market's crazy, I'm going to wait till it cools down. And then 10 years from now, the market's continually going like this, right? Imagine if you, in 2010, you were like, oof, market's just going like this. I'm going to wait till it cools down, right? It's 12 years ago. The market hasn't stopped. It's been going like this. It's actually been going like this, right? So when the market goes bad, right? You're waiting all this time for the market to go bad. Then the market goes bad and you say, oh, whoa, the market's bad right now. I wouldn't want to buy anything now. It could keep going down. I'm not going to buy right now. Scary, right? It's always going to be scary. It doesn't matter when you get in. It's going to be scary. There's going to be things going on in the world that, you know, create question marks. But, you know, as they say, fortune favors the brave, right? You got to be brave. You have to take the jump. And if you're ready, take my hand. I'll jump with you. We'll do it together. And if not, if you have another coach or mentor you want to use them. But guys, you got to do it. You have to just take the jump and go. Stop waiting around. Get the right deal. Kick yourself in the ass. And let's do this thing. All right? I'm proud of you guys. You always ask great questions. Keep the questions coming. If you have questions or comments about being a client of mine in the coaching and mentorship program, shoot me an email below and I'll get right back to you. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see you next time.